Before we talk about what to buy, let's talk about what not to do. Most new investors park their money in a savings account, waiting for the right time. That's not safety. That's losing money to inflation every single year. Time is your most valuable investing asset, and right now you're burning it. Here's the formula every wealthy person actually uses. It's not picking the next hot stock. It's not crypto. It's boring on purpose. Buy index funds. Reinvest dividends. Never sell in a panic. Warren Buffett literally told his wife to put 90% of his money in the S&P 500 when he dies. That's your confirmation. Here's a debate that divides investors. VOO versus VTI. VOO tracks the S&P 500, America's 500 biggest companies. VTI tracks the entire U.S. market, over 4,000 stocks. Historically, they perform almost identically, but VTI gives you more diversification. My pick for beginners? Either one, but I'll tell you which one I use and why. Here's the math that changes people's minds. If you invest $1,000 today and never add another dollar, in 30 years at 10% returns, you have $17,000 through $449. If you invest $1,000 per month for 30 years, you'd have over $2.2 million. The difference isn't how smart you are, it's how consistent you are. Let's make this real. Here's exactly what to do with your first $1,000. First $500, put it in VOO or VTI, your foundation. Next $300, high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Final $200, leave as buy-the-dip cash for when markets drop. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Here's exactly how to open your account right now. Takes 8 minutes. I'll put the link in the description. You'll need your Social Security number and bank account info. No minimum balance on Fidelity or Schwab. You can start with literally $1. Here's your homework. Open your account this week. Make your first investment, even if it's $50. Then come back and drop the word "started" in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe. Next week, I'm covering the exact tax-advantaged accounts that could save you thousands every year. You do not want to miss that.